How to store and search list in SQLAlchemy? I need to write two classes like this. One item can own several attributes, and I need to 1. Insert some methods on class item to easily do CURD, insertion, deletion, update and query attributes for it. I need to search an attribute of an item and return its corresponding value. 2. Have the ability to search items by attributes. For example, some items have the attributes of feature is equal to true. I need to get all items which have this attribute. Thanks for help. Happy smiley.
If you add backref onto your item attribute relationship, this will create an item.attributes array which contains the item attributes. You might also add the onUpdate and onDelete if you're using MySQL. Then when you query, you can do this. When querying, you can filter by joining the backref. Further, if it's a one-to-one relationship, but it's not in this case, you could skip the list by specifying useList equals false.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.